As of 2025, Assurance Wireless does not offer a fully online self-service cancellation process. To cancel your account, you'll primarily need to contact customer service by phone at 1-888-898-4888. While their website, assurancewireless.com, has a Contact Us form, it's mainly for inquiries, not direct cancellations. Understand that this phone-only approach is due to the need for eligibility verification and to prevent fraud within the Lifeline program. Keep in mind, wait times can be long, so be prepared. Alternatively, you can begin the porting process with a new carrier to initiate cancellation. More on that in Section 2. If you want to keep your phone number, your best bet is to port it to another carrier. This automatically cancels your Assurance Wireless service once the porting process is complete. To do this, sign up for service with your new provider, e.g. T-Mobile, AT&T, Visible. They will need your Assurance Wireless account information. Once the new service is activated and your number is transferred, your Assurance Wireless account will be closed. Note, ensure you have no outstanding balances or unreturned equipment to avoid potential fees. Returning the SIM card is often required. While waiting for a full online cancellation option to become available, porting offers a relatively streamlined solution.